Subject representation submitted dated 3rd October 2023. With reference to the subject cited above, I have the honor to inform you that the State Education Commission has received the representation dated 3rd October 2023 submitted by your association. The representation has been endorsed to the concerned subcommittee for examination of your petition and for further necessary action. Copy to the chairperson of the State Education Commission for information. This is the letter which we received from the member secretary of the State Education Commission. With the government on 4th March 2024, with the State Project Director, Swapnil Dembe. Followed by a meeting again with the Deputy Chief Ministers of Preston Tensong on 18th of March 2024. Followed by a meeting with the Honorable Education Minister Rakam Esangma on 24th April 2024. Followed by a meeting again with the Honorable Education Minister Rakam Esangma on 30th April 2024. And then on 4th June 2024, again received a letter from the member secretary of the State Education Commission addressed to the President and the Secretary of Meghalaya SSA School Association Central Body on the subject meeting of the State Education Commission at Tura. Kani ka sithi ka bakila pha sa association pakan sadon ka jiya kendo yung commission hapo Tura. With reference to the subject cited above, I am to inform you that the State Education Commission will hold a meeting on 13th June 2024 at Embo's office Tura at 10:30 a.m. in which various stakeholders involved in education will participate in our above meeting, including officials and members of the Commission. In this regard, you are hereby informed to attend the above meeting and between one person, representative from your association under your unit in governance. But hangni yang ketuk bang ong menne, hangni kita bo way live yung way association ng kuapan kren, ng kredang itu ni basaw, itu Nonghikai SSA way forward for issue pertaining to teachers under Samagra Shiksha Agenda, which myself and the finance secretary Sir Final Lambang, we went to Garo Hills to attend this meeting, which was held on 13 June 2024 at Embo's office, Tura. And during that meeting, we are very thankful to our members from Garo Hills, especially the executive member of the Masasa or Garo Hills Unit. They accompany us. Kia Kershanyan. Wala yok bandung tang armut apa kamera kajik shit ngano di pot Tura hanu laju aplen jo kajik shit ap shabarin di rung shipo kaji ni mi saush ni rung shipo kaji ska kabiting ni mi saush